If you want to align your finances with your life goals, there's no better tool than a finance tracker. But not just any finance tracker, one that not only helps you manage your spending, but also helps you stay on track with what truly matters to you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make that happen. I'm not here to push affiliate links or some flashy product, just pure, no-nonsense advice on how to make your money work for your life goals. Here's the thing. Most people start using finance trackers thinking they're just for budgeting or checking bank balances. But when you align them with your personal goals, they can be so much more. Imagine having a clear map that not only shows where your money is going, but also directs it toward things that matter most to you. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, a home, or even retirement, a finance tracker can make it crystal clear if you're on the right path. That clarity alone can change the way you think about your money and life. For example, I've seen countless clients who use finance trackers just to track expenses and miss the bigger picture. A few years ago, I worked with a client who thought he was doing great with his savings until we started comparing his expenses to his goals. He realized that he was spending hundreds of dollars a month on things that weren't helping him reach his goals. That's the power of a finance tracker when used right. It reveals where you're leaking money and where you can redirect it. The first step is integrating your goals directly into the tracker. A finance tracker isn't just about categorizing your expenses. It should be about aligning each transaction with your overarching objectives. For instance, if you're saving for a house, every time you spend, think, does this bring me closer to that goal, or is it taking me further away? The beauty is that these trackers can set up automatic categories for savings goals, investments, and even your dream vacation fund. Every purchase you make becomes an opportunity to check your progress toward your future. Next, you need to use the data. This is where most people drop the ball. It's one thing to track your expenses, but it's another to regularly analyze and adjust. Use your tracker to spot patterns. For example, I had a client who was struggling to save for retirement until we used their finance tracker to break down their discretionary spending. By eliminating a few recurring subscriptions and reducing unnecessary dining out, they redirected hundreds into their retirement fund. That's the type of data you're looking for. It's not about cutting all fun, but making smarter choices. And yes, I've done this with my own finances too. Once you're in the habit of tracking and analyzing, the next thing is setting realistic, time-bound goals. A finance tracker helps you map out exactly how much you need to save every month to hit that target. But here's where most people go wrong. They set vague goals like, save more money. That's not specific enough. Instead, set goals like, save $10,000 for a vacation by December, or put aside $500 a month for retirement. When you can see that tracker moving toward that clear goal, the motivation is much stronger. And here's a tip. Make sure your tracker can sync with your bank accounts and credit cards. This makes everything automatic, giving you real-time insights. When you're not manually inputting every transaction, it takes the guesswork out of the equation. You get to see a live update of where you stand in relation to your goals without any added effort. Finally, don't let the tracker run your life. It's a tool, not the end-all be-all. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes your goals will need adjusting. The key is balance. Your tracker should help you stay on course, but not make you feel like you're constantly fighting against the tide. Be flexible and adapt, but always keep the end goal in sight. If you found value in this video and want more honest, actionable content, without any affiliate link gimmicks, consider subscribing. This channel is dedicated to providing real advice without hidden agendas. You'll get content that actually helps you make smarter financial decisions and align your spending with your real goals.